Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you all how to make fool. Fool is a popular dish in Middle East which is made using fava beans. Let's first check out the ingredients. We need 1 onion roughly chopped, 1 large tomato finely chopped, 2 green chillies, half a lemon, some coriander leaves, half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil, salt according to your taste, 450 grams of canned fava beans. Take a pan on a medium flame. Add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil and add the chopped onion into the oil. Saute the onion until it changes its color slightly. Now add about half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to it and mix it well until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone. I actually forgot to mention ginger garlic paste on the ingredients list. Now add the finely chopped tomato and green chilies and give it a quick mix. Add salt according to your taste. Now add half tablespoon of cumin powder and pepper powder and mix it well. Now add the fava beans and give it a quick mix. Then squeeze half a lemon. Now mash the fava beans using a masher. Then add half a cup of water and mix it well. Now add some coriander leaves on the top and let it be on the flame for about 3 minutes. Now our fool is ready. Serve it with some olive oil on the top. Try this recipe at your home. Hope you all like my video. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get updates on my video. Ingredients are given in the description box below. Do check it out. Thank you all for watching.